As you can see, the install is giving.
Don't you have time for anything else that be on your mind? Long as you got your cars and doors to drive, I should've known I couldn't get your time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria, if you don't know me. And in today's video, I'm showing you guys everything that you need to install a wig. This video is sponsored by AliPro Hair, so shout out to them. This wig is bomb. As you can see, the install is giving. So if you just bought your first wig, or if you just don't really know what to buy in order to install a wig, I'm about to literally walk you through every single thing that I would recommend you purchase to get a flawless install. So everything from lace glue to a hot comb, just everything you need to have in your possession to install a wig. Please remember to like this video if you like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you're interested in knowing everything you need to buy to install a wig, then keep watching. Okay, so first I want to give a shout out to this video's sponsor, which is AliPro Hair. I've actually worked with this company in the past and their wigs never disappoint, okay? This is a 24-inch body wave wig. It is HD 13x4 lace. I absolutely love their lace. It's always giving scalp. It's 200% density, which we love. The hair is literally thick from the roots all the way to the ends. It's very healthy, very bouncy. I'm honestly just obsessed with their units. It's really good hair. So yeah, shout out to AliPro Hair for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the prep work so we can install the hair. So first you're gonna need a wig head and a wig stand. I got mine off Amazon and they will be linked below. And you're also gonna need some T-pins. This is what holds your wig onto the wig head. Also from Amazon, and they're gonna be linked below as well. Everything is gonna be linked below. This is what your wig should look like. And then what I like to do is get some Got2b spray and spray the flyaways of the hair back, because we're about to bleach our unit. We're gonna bleach the knots and we don't want to bleach any flyaways or any hair that's on the unit. And then I like to use a small, like a baby hair brush. Sometimes the wigs come with these, but this is basically just what I use to brush the flyaways out of the way. I also use this for my baby hairs, of course. Next, you're gonna need a bleach bowl and a bleach brush. I'm really not sure if that's what they're called, but you're gonna need these because this is what you're gonna mix your bleach and developer in. Here is the bleach that I'm using, and here is the developer that I'm using. So we're just gonna take those two and mix them together in the bowl until we get a good consistency. If you want like a more detailed video on how I bleach my knots, I will link one above in this video and also below in my description. But this is basically just me putting the bleach onto the unit. As you can see, I put the unit inside out to do this because we're bleaching the knots on the lace, not the hair. You don't want to bleach your hair. Then I'm just taking my wig to the sink and I'm washing the bleach off. And I use the Shimmer Lights shampoo to get that orangey tone out of my lace. It's really, really important to shampoo your lace after you bleach it. And in my opinion, this is the best shampoo to use. So definitely get you some. Next, we're gonna be plucking the hair, and you're gonna need a good pair of tweezers. And then I like to use mousse. You could honestly just use water, but I really like to use mousse so I could just see every strand. It's all being held in place so I know where I need to take away more hair from, etc. I really hope that made sense. And then I just take my blow dryer. This is actually my favorite blow dryer to use because I also use it on my natural hair. So yeah, very much all in one. I love this blow dryer. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is my ball cap method. Sometimes I put a stocking cap. You need stocking caps. Sometimes I put a stocking cap like under, like just to hold like my hair in place if my braids is just a mess. You don't really need two, but I'm doing one just to like hold my hair in place and one as the ball cap. A lot of wigs come with these. I do still buy them though because it's just good to have. And then next, I use this Eben lace bond. You can use Got2b for this as well, but I just feel like this is a better hold. So I'm gonna use this and my blow dryer, if I could find it. So I'm gonna just spray this, and then, why do I feel like my ring light is so far away from me? Hold on. Okay, I don't know what my ring light was doing, but anyways, I'm gonna spray this and basically just do my ball cap, and then I'll probably speed it up.
Out of comments, leave me out of nonsense, speaking out of context. People need some content, niggas trying to keep up. Shit is not a contest, whipping bands concept. Heaven sent, God sent, at least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real.
Okay, so you're gonna need scissors because you gotta cut your wig cap off. Then you're gonna need some glue because I'm gonna glue the excess pieces of my cap down. It's really not a lot, but I'm gonna just glue it down. And I like to use the bolt hold with the pink label. And as you can see, I'm using a very small amount of glue because it's not what's gonna hold my wig down, it's just what's gonna hold this cap down. Okay, and then once that's glued down, this is like one of the most important things that I would say you need to buy is this even tinted lace spray. So basically it's gonna tint my bald cap to be my skin tone, and then we're gonna use it again later on too. So yeah, you gotta make sure you get this. I get it in the shade medium dark brown, and I just spray it all over my bald cap. Because obviously it still looks like a stocking cap, but once you make it a bald cap, that's what makes your wigs look seamless, you know? Okay, and then you have your bald cap. So now you're ready to put your wig on. So let me go get the wig. Okay, so I have my wig here, and as you can see, the lace is like a whitish color. The lace is never gonna come your skin tone, so that's why I said you have to get the even tinted lace spray. You could also use foundation, but I just feel like that's so much more like hassle with the spray. You could literally just spray it onto the lace and move on. And now it's gonna match me. You see how that literally took 2 seconds. Like I love the spray, okay? So definitely make sure you get that. Okay, so I'm putting the wig on now, and I'm just figuring out like if it's in the right spot before I actually secure it down. And it is, so let me roll it back. Now I'm just gonna glue it, so make sure you get your favorite glue. I really like this glue because it is specifically for oily skin, which I don't have oily skin, but I just feel like products made for oily skin just have a better hold. So free game right there. So I'm gonna hurry up. I'm just gonna speed through this part. I'm probably gonna do, I think I'm gonna do like 3 layers.
Everybody rock with me because I'm up now. Took your girl and I'm scoring like I made the touchdown. Swerving in a Lambo, doors go up, not on a bus now. Used to want a G-Shock, now I'm walking with a bust down. Pull up and I flooded with a iced out watch. With it like butter, baby, we can drop. We can drop, put that phone, it's on drop. Snap my nuts, count a lot, saw a lot. Got on rocks, I'm in rocks with the pop. Suicide, 1600, that's the get your girl that's check free. She ain't used to text me, now she want to caress me. She keep tryna neck me, I gotta tell my bestie. Someone call my bestie, think I found my bestie. Link up, make the check bleed. You know that I'm smoking dope, I'll be high till next week. No, I had to let her go, cause she can't arrest me. Walk away my toolie, what they do? Meet me in the alley with the troops. I got red shooters, I got blue. Let that thing down and point at you. Billy or the Rari, or let you. We gon' ride the bank, bring the loop. We gon' take the boy back to school.
Okay, now that it's dry, I'm gonna pull my lace forward, and you wanna make sure you have a comb nearby. I'm gonna be combing the lace in to the glue, so you'll see. Okay, so once I'm done combing my lace in, I like to take an elastic. Mine is like super dirty because I keep using the same one because I lost the roll. But I like to buy a roll of the 2-inch. Oh my God, it's so dirty, but it's just like a bunch of makeup. And anyways, I buy the 2-inch one because I just like for 2 inches to be laying down. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like the thin ones that are only like 1 inch. Like, I like to cover the whole area. So I buy these and I use it to tie my lace down just so it can like really melt. So I'm gonna leave it on for like a couple minutes so it could do its thing, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now I'm taking it off and I'm gonna cut the lace with my scissors. Okay, and then once my lace is cut, I'm gonna use a little bit of Got To Be. And then I'm putting my elastic band back on so that it can melt a little more. Okay, so now that that's off, we're gonna move into styling. So what you're gonna need for this is your hot comb and your wax stick. You're gonna pretty much need this for like any hairstyle that you're doing. I'm gonna try this hairstyle that I seen on TikTok. So I parted out the sides and you basically just use your wax stick. I use it every single time I do any type of part because it's just really good at holding your hair down, honestly. Okay, I know I look kind of crazy. I just wanted to tie these hairs out the way. But anyways, after I'm done with my parting, I like to use Gorilla Snot for holding my hair down because I feel like it's not too like harsh on the hair, but it still works, you know? And I use a hard brush anytime I'm like brushing it out. I'm cutting my bangs. And I'm gonna cut these to be a little bit longer. And I like to use a pencil flat iron too. It's really good for your baby hairs and then obviously little stuff like your bangs. Okay, so I went ahead and styled my hair. This is a different day, by the way. Like, just being transparent, I installed my hair and styled it in a different day. But this video was focused on the install, so that's okay. But yeah, so I went ahead and styled my hair. I think it looks bomb. I seen this hairstyle on TikTok. I just think it looks so good. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope that now you know everything you need to install a wig. I hope that you get these products and you have a successful install. This is everything that I kind of just learned over time with trying different products. Works for me when it came to installing wigs. And this is like my go-to list of just everything you need for installs. So I hope this was helpful to you. Like this video if you like this video. Comment below. Comment below which products you didn't have that you are gonna get, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.